everybody, today we're gonna show you how to make another thing out of Legos. It's something that flies around. I bet you know what it is. It has wheels too, but lands. Of course you know it. It's an airplane. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. But I'll show you the pieces. Okay, so these are the pieces. So the pieces are over here. So the one of this, one of this, one of this. Check that out. It also has a clown. See it? And there's another one on the top of my bumper. Two of this, two. And then one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this, and of course, for the final part, a passenger. Two of this, one of this, that, and last this. So I'll show you how to make it now. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is grab this claw and then the wheels, and then you snap it on the claws. See? And I think it goes in a pack, and you might not have, if you have the pack, yeah, you just get it or make it. So this is how it looks like. Oh, Matthew's coming. Say hi, Matthew.
Hi.
Hey, come closer.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and then after that, we get this piece. Hey,
Oh.
no, hello, Matthew. And then, as I told you earlier, get this and then snap it on like this. See? And then after that, you get this bit and then the propeller. And see this how well you put the hole into the pointy bit. See that? And then, oh, there we go. See it? There. Or that.
Here.
And then you put it right over here. Yeah, where the needle, see? It's looking not good. And then Matthew just gave me the next piece, and thank you, Matthew.
Yeah.
And we need the screen bit with 16 dots. And then you put it right here. See that? And then you get this and then put it between the propeller and the wing. See? Like this. See that? Okay. And then you get something like this, but smaller, and then here. See? And then I think we're almost done. And then we get this, and then put it right over here. Check that out. And then we get this. Yeah, you've seen this piece earlier from my before video. Remember? Yeah. And this is my fourth Lego video. And put it right over there. See that? Right over there. And then you get this bit. And then you put, see this? There's a hole in here. Put it in the middle hole and then snap it attached like this. See? And then you get this bit and then you put it on here also, see? And then last bit, you get this, and then you put it over here. And then after that, last bit, the person, and as you put it, let me raise its arms up. Okay. And then, voila, it's all done.
It's everything.
Okay, so this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you gotta do is search for my channel. But if you don't know my channel, all you guys do is press my icon below for more videos. And don't forget to watch the Adventure of Malcolm Matthew. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, the bell, and the... Okay, sorry guys. Well, bye.